Today I'm going to show you what is inside this Neato stainless dish drying rack. Inside the stainless dish drying rack box, it's including a silverware cup with 4 dividing sections so you can separate forks, spoons, knives, or any other utensils for your daily needs. You can also put it anywhere in the section. It's very easy to use. This stainless dish drying rack also includes a drain board. It's very durable and also has an opening so that the water can drip out. Next, I'm going to show you an example of how easy it is to place the plates onto the drying rack. It doesn't fall out, it's durable, it's easy to use.